Can you talk to Omi? Yeah. Tell her all about it. So I had a nice warm bath and sweet potatoes and pears. Tell her. Yeah. Say, look at my feet, Ma, or Omi. Hey. Hey. So I just had a nice warm bath, fixing to get dressed in my little dinosaur sleeper. Oh. You talking? Talk. Tell Omi and Opie. So I'm ready for a bottle, huh? Ready to get diaper on. Yeah?